Today in this video, I am going to show you that how you can just using this one AI tool create your YouTube videos. This is such an AI tool that by using it, many popular accounts have rapidly grown their channels in just a few months. Look, it is not luck that nowadays these types of channels are going viral on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. This is all because of research and content strategy. This channel has only uploaded 76 videos so far and has already reached 1 lakh subscribers. If you pay a little attention, you will find many channels that follow the same strategy and gain millions of views. And not just that, you too can follow the same strategy and by giving just 10 to 15 minutes a day, create a viral video. So, without wasting any more time, let's begin. First of all, we need to find a viral video idea. There are many ways to do this, but if you are new, it would be best for you to focus on a trending topic. The biggest benefit of this is that people will click on your video to watch it because it is already trending. Now just set it on Google Trend. This will let you know what is trending worldwide. But if you want to target a specific location, then here you need to select that location. Now, by clicking here, set the time range to the last 30 days. Then here, the web search option we see, by clicking on it, we can see YouTube topics, and you can select any of them to start making your video. Another way to find trending ideas is to go to your competitors' channels, click on the videos option, and select the short by popular option. This way, you will be able to see all their top-performing videos. And if you want, you can use the title or idea of these videos to create your own. So now the first important element of our video, which was finding a trending topic, is complete. But now it's time for the second element, which is preparing an engaging script. To create a well-managed and engaging script, you have 3 options. The first is to create the script yourself. The second is to watch a video by a big creator on YouTube, take inspiration from that video's script, and make some changes to create a good script for your video. The third is to use ChatGPT or any other good AI tool to create a very engaging script for your video. For now, I am using ChatGPT, so simply you need to open ChatGPT and type a good prompt. While writing the prompt, you need to pay very good attention to a few things, like mentioning the topic of your script, its length, and its language very specifically. You will find some templates for prompts in the video description if you want to check them out. So now our video script is ready. But now comes the third important element, which is voiceover. So first you need to come to a secret website. I will reveal the name of this website by the end of this video. Alright, after coming to the website, you need to scroll down, and then you will see an option which is text-to-speech. As soon as you click on Start for free, an interface like this will open in front of you. Now, although the interface of this website is very easy to understand, still you may face a little problem. Like here, by clicking, you can change the characters and voice packs of the voiceover, and from here, you can change the language, gender, and age of your voice character. Now, these 2 options you see can change both the speed and pitch of your voice. Now, the option you see for AS is very important because whenever you feel that AI is pronouncing any word incorrectly, you can correct it with the help of this feature and avoid pronunciation mistakes. Now, the next setting you see is post settings. With the help of this setting, you can change the post timing that occurs after any punctuation, such as a comma, full stop, or question mark. Now, if you don't know, I'll tell you that in AI voiceovers, the pauses that occur due to punctuation prevent your voiceover from sounding artificial and give a natural sound. Now, I hope you understand the basic interface of this website. So now what we need to do is copy the script we generated from ChatGPT, come to this website, and paste it there. Then click on Generate. After that, it will take some time for processing, and as soon as the processing is finished, you will need to click on Export to save the audio. So now our voiceover is ready, and now comes the fourth and most important element, which is video editing, and we will be using another secret website for this, the name of which I will reveal very soon. So again, as soon as you open this website, an interface like this will appear, and you need to click on the option to get free access. Then after signing up, another interface will open, and you need to click on the option to create video. Okay, so first you need to choose a visual style for your video, like I have chosen cinematography here. Then as soon as you click on the next step, you will arrive in the story and content section. Then here, you need to click on the audio input option and upload the audio you exported. After that, you will see an option to select the language of the audio. And here, you need to select the language of your audio. After selecting the language, click on Process, and as soon as the processing is finished, then you need to select the right ratio for your video. And after selecting the ratio, you can click on the Next Step option. Then it will take a little time, and then your video will be ready. Now you just need to click here to export this video. Then you can upload it on any platform. So friends, this was our video today in which I explained the entire process of how you can create such highly engaging AI videos using some free AI tools. So I hope you liked this video. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.